Okay, now first we will complete the fill in the blanks. Okay, tell me, the human body is just like a here. Can you tell me? No, no, all of you don't tell. I'll ask someone. If she can't, then all of you will tell. Okay, here I. The human body is just like a. The human body is just like a. Here I. Can you say the answer? No. Can anyone say the answer? The human body is just.
I can.
Okay. Okay. Tell me. Anyone tell me. Anyone tell me. Yes, machine.
Machine.
Yes.
Sir, machine.
Yes, human body is just like a machine. Okay. Next, I'll ask Mitali Paul. The muscles are attached to the bones by strong tissues called. No, I'll ask this to Tushar Ghosh. Tushar Ghosh. Tushar Ghosh. Tendons. Okay. The human heart is divided into dash chamber. Prathamanandi. The human heart is divided into dash chambers. Prathamanandi.
Sir, I can.
Okay, I'll ask this to Devkalpa Goswami. Devkalpa Goswami.
Human heart is divided into 4 chambers.
4 chambers. Okay.
Left, right ventricle.
Next. Okay.
And
2 auricles and 2 ventricles. Okay. Now I'll ask this to Vinayak Pal. The lungs absorb dash from the air.
lungs absorb oxygen from the air.
Very good. Okay. I'll ask this to Oitijjo. The main function of the digestive system is to dash food.
Digest food.
Is to digest food. Yes.
Very easy. Another one is
Dash are the main excretory organs. So I'll ask this to. Let me see who are present. Onkur. Okay, Onkur. I'll ask this to Onkur.
the lungs, kidneys. No. Only one.
Okay. So kidneys, lungs, skin. Okay, see, kidneys, lungs, the main excretory organs are the 2 kidneys. The kidneys are the main excretory organs of our body. So others are also important organs. So we will write here only kidneys. Okay, kidneys. In your book, yes, in your book only kidneys are written. So we will write here only kidneys. Okay. Now I'll ask the first 3 to Devangshi. Turn on your video. Answer the first 3. Circulatory system.
Heart and capillary.
Okay, that is E. Excretory system.
Kidneys and skin.
Digestive system.
Stomach and food pipe.
Okay. I'll ask the next 3 to let me see who are present today. I'll ask the next thing too. Wait, let me ask. I'll ask the next to Orna Biswas. No audio. I'll ask the next to Supratim Ghosh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Answer the next 3. Muscular system. Turn on your video and the audio.
Yes, muscular system is.
Yes.
Muscles. Muscular system muscles.
Who said that?
Sir, I.
Oh, you. What is your name? Supratim Ghosh. Okay. Muscular system, muscles. Okay. Now reproductive system.
Please,
Reproductive
system is sperm and egg.
Reproductive system is sperm and egg. Okay. Respiratory system.
Lungs and trachea.
Respiratory systems will be lungs and trachea. Okay. Now write true for T for true, F for false. Okay. The skeleton provides support to our body. I will ask this to Oitijjo. ঐতিহ্য, true or false? The skeleton provides support to our body. True. The heart and blood are the organs of the digestive system. I will ask these two Orna Biswas. No, Orna Biswas. Yes.
Ask me.
What is your name? Tushar. Onkur. Okay.
You not asked
Anirban. Okay, I'll ask Anirban. Anirban, the heart and blood are the organs of the digestive system.
False.
False. Okay, next I'll ask again to Adrish. I'm asking Adrish. The soft pulp-like food reaches the stomach through the food pipe. The soft pulp-like food reaches the stomach through the food pipe.
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me what is this soft pulp-like food known as? There is a term for it. Yes. It is known as bolus, and it reaches the stomach through the food pipe. True or false? It reaches the stomach through the food pipe. True. The sperms are the male cells. I'll ask this to Hieroi. True or false? Hieroi. The sperm are the male cells. True or false? True. I'll ask next to Antarib Das. Antarib Das. The circulatory system controls all the other organ systems. True or false?
True.
Very good. Okay. Now, the undigested food is removed through the anus. I'll ask this to Shayonpal B.
Please.
Yes. What happened? Audrey said the answer only.
Sir, ask me please.
Undigested food is removed through the anus. I will ask this to Shayonpal Big. Which number? Which question? Which number question? Number 5.
Yes, true.
The circulatory system controls all the other organs. No. The nervous system controls all the other organs. It will be false. Yes. It will be false. Okay. The nervous system controls all the other organ system. This will be nervous system.
Yes. Circulatory.
Okay. The undigested food is removed through the anus. I'll ask this to Hieroi. Question number 6.
Sir, it is true.
True. Okay. Now this will be your project. Who is making this audio? Whose background is making so much sound? Turn off your audio. Okay. Now make a diagram of the human heart on a canvas. Label its various parts. This will be your project work. Of chapter 3. This will be your project work of chapter 3. And today is 5/5/2021. You have to submit the project work. You have to do it in that coloring copy. Okay. And you have to submit it by today is 5, 6, 7. 5. Today is Wednesday, Thursday, 6, Friday, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to submit it by 10/5/21. This is the submit date. Yes, tell me. Yes.
That coloring copy means scrapbook.
Scrapbook. Yes, do it in your
Sir,
scrapbook.
means we have to draw the diagram of the human heart and label it to various parts.
Yes.
Means
You don't need to draw it. See, don't speak in Bengali first thing. And second is don't draw it on canvas. Draw it in your scrapbook. Okay. Draw it nicely. Use coloring pens. Use coloring pens.
Yes, scrapbook. We have to make it. Means canvas means I can't understand.
Canvas is big in size. You don't need.
Again, tell the project.
See, canvas is big in size. Okay, you don't need to write in canvas. Do it in your scrapbook. Okay.
Sir, but what Have to do, I can't understand, please tell.
In this one, you have
Sir,
to
what is
make
the
a
progress?
see. You have to draw a diagram of human heart. Okay. You have to draw a diagram of human heart. I have showed you the diagram of a. Who is talking so much? Who is talking so much? When I am talking, turn off your audio, all of you. You need to draw the diagram of a human heart. Okay. And you have to label all the veins and arteries that will be coming and leaving out of the heart. You have to draw a good diagram that you will find on the internet. And you have to label all the parts. You have to label the auricles.
By seeing also we can, sir.
You
By
have,
seeing from the internet.
you have to draw it by seeing. This is a project work, okay? You have to draw it by seeing. You have to draw the ventricles. And you have to do a detailed colored drawing. You have to do a detailed colored drawing. Is that clear? You have to do a detailed
Sir,
colored drawing.
a human body's heart diagram is the white in color.
See, let me show you an image, okay?
Okay,
Wait, all of you wait. Let me show you an image. Wait. Human heart.
Not white, that is red.
See, this one is human heart. Okay. Now, you have to draw an image like this one. Do you see this one? Your image will be like this one. You got that? It will be a detailed image, almost like this one.
sir.
Okay. You have to draw this image and you have to draw it nicely and clearly. You have to draw it nicely and clearly. You have to label it properly and submit it to me by. You have to use colors. Okay. Use colors. All of you use colors. Colors are important in this diagram. Okay. So we got this thing. This one will be your project work. Okay. Now, have I given you a project work on Excel on chapter 2?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Chapter
No, sir.
chapter
No, sir.
okay. Chapter 2 was on chapter 2 was on varying lifestyles, right?
Yes.
So write a project based on chapter 2. Write this down.
Yes, sir, I am bringing my copy.
Yes, write down project.
Sir, two
So I have
projects.
given you project on chapter 3, project on chapter 2. Write down project on chapter 2.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we will submit this project on 10. This also.
Yes. No, this project you can submit on 12, 13.
My pen. Sir, see my pen snipping.
Yes, this one you will submit on 13. You will submit on 13, 5.
Chapter 10.
Chapter
see my
2.
pen.
Project on chapter 2. Okay, yeah, I am seeing your pen, Oitijjo. Oitijjo, write this down fast. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what is the project?
Yes, I'm telling you. I'm telling you about the project. Okay. Compare the fur of animals in various regions. Number 1 in polar region. Number 2 in
Sir, what we have to do? I can't
in
understand.
desert region. Number 3 in plain region. Okay, suppose in polar you find polar bear. Okay, so you have to study the fur of the polar bear. What is fur? Fur is the outer hairy covering, right? You have to study the fur. In desert you will find camel. You have to study its fur. In plain you will find cow. You have to study its fur. Study the fur of the various animals in the various systems. Okay. and you need to tell me what you need to tell me and discuss
Okay, sir.
a size of fur, b density, that is the density or number of fur in a body part. You can write not number, you can write amount of fur. You can write amount of fur in a body part. Okay. Number C. Number C. What is fur compared to a human being? What is fur compared to a human being's body? That is, what is fur?
So
Is
then
the
what
is
is
the
the
fur a
project?
nail? That is.
Sir, what to do cannot understand.
I will tell you. I will tell
Yes.
you. First, write this down. Why don't human being have fur like bear? Okay, so these are the 4 parts. Draw a neat labeled diagram of polar bear. Okay, this is your project on chapter 2. So what do you have to do? You have to study the size of fur. See, it is not necessary that all of you has to do polar bear, camel and plain and cow. Okay, all of you don't need to do.
Sir, we have to do what?
You have to
So the last
study.
question.
You can only, you
One.
can see, you can only
Sir,
understand.
so the last question.
You can only understand. See, you can only understand when you stop talking and listen to me. You can
I am
only
telling please show
understand.
the number. Last
I am
question.
telling you one thing. I am telling all of you one thing. You can only understand when you guys will stop talking and start listening to me. So stop talking.
No, sir, I am only telling
Stop
please show
talking.
the number.
And listen to me. See, you have to see different animals. Okay? You have to see different animals. You have to study them. What do you have to do? You have to study the different animals. Like in polar region, what do you find in polar region? In polar region, you will find polar bear. In polar region, you can find walrus. In polar region, you can find penguin. So you have to pick an animal that you will find in the polar region. Is that clear? Similarly, you will pick an animal that you will find in the desert which has fur. You have to pick an animal that has fur. So if you pick an animal in the desert which has fur, you pick that animal.
Sir,
Yes.
in desert tarantula, these also have small hair fur. We can pick
Anyone,
that.
you can pick any desert animal which has fur. See, if you ask about the animals which have fur in desert, see animals with fur in desert. Okay, animals with fur in desert. See, all these animals have fur and they live in the desert. All of these animals, rodents, kangaroos, hares, fennec fox, kangaroo rat, coyote, meerkat, oryx, bobcat, cougar, bighorn sheep, kit fox, true fox. There are a lot of animals, and you have your favorite animal, camel also. So you can choose any one of them. All of them stay in the desert. So choose a desert animal that has fur. Okay. Now, when the desert animal has fur, you have to study that animal. Suppose you pick.
Sir,
Yes.
sir means we have to take these names of animals and we have to write about them.
That is only I am telling. You can only understand that when you will stop interacting in between whatever I am saying. So stop for some time, listen to me, then turn on your mic and then say. First stop and listen. You should learn how to stop and listen. So you pick an animal in the polar region. Suppose you picked up polar bear. Suppose you picked up polar bear. In desert, suppose you picked up camel. In plain, suppose you picked up goat. Okay. So these are the three animals that you picked up. You can pick any animal that you like. It is not compulsory that you have to take these three animals only. Now, you have to study their fur. You have to study their fur. How big is the size of their fur? How big? Is the fur more big, less big, very thin, very small? You have to study that. Next, you have to find out the density or amount of fur in the body. What do you mean by density or amount of fur? Density or amount of fur means how many fur is present at a place. How many number of fur is present at a place. That is the density or amount of fur. Okay. It is light, it is highly dense. You need to answer that. Next, what is the fur compared to a human being's body? Is the fur compared to my nail? Is the fur compared to my hair? Is the fur compared to my nose? Is the fur compared to my ear? What is the thing in human body, the body part in human body with which we can compare the fur? You have to write that thing. Next, why don't human being have fur like bear? Why don't we have fur like polar bear, or why don't we have fur like bear? Next, draw a neat label diagram of polar bear. You have to draw a polar bear and you have to label a polar bear. This is the mouth of the polar bear, nose of the polar bear. If the polar bear has tail, this is the tail of the polar bear. Okay, now all of you, I have given you a brief explanation what you need to do. Now you can turn on your mic and tell me what is your question. What are your doubts?
What is the submission date? Sir, we have to write about these animals.
Yes, you have to write only about the fur of these animals. You don't have to write everything
not
about the
full thing,
animals.
that what they live, what they eat.
You only have to write about the fur of these animals. Only the fur.
Okay.
Is that clear? No other thing. You only have to write
And
about
only-
the fur. Yes, tell me.
And only we have to draw a polar bear picture and diagram it.
Yes, and then you need to draw a polar bear and you need to label its parts. Okay. Okay.
Sir, what is the submission date?
Submission time for this one is 13/5/21. This is the submission time. 13/5/21 is the submission time. Okay. Now, is anyone having any more doubt? I'll answer all of your doubts regarding the project. If anyone is having any doubt, tell me. Okay. So as
Sir,
none of-
what is the submission date of human organ system that's here?
See, project on chapter 2, you need to submit it on 13/5/21. Okay.
Okay.
And project on chapter 3, you need to submit on 10/5/21. Is that clear? I will give the update in group also. I am describing the project in the class so that you can understand what the project is all about. Is that clear? Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, you
Okay.
have get my PSPS on?
Here I, those who have
Yes.
not, those who have submitted after I have given the notice, I'll check their answer scripts. I have checked the all answer scripts before that. I have given the number also.
Sir,
The
but
new
I cannot the 8 number
one-
of PSPS1.
one by one. If all of you start talking, there will be
I-
a mess. One by one. Yes, tell me.
I cannot do the 8 number of PSPS1.
That is okay. It's a test. If you can't do, you will get 0. That's completely okay. Okay. Anyone is having any other kind of doubt?
Sir, how much I got? No, sir, you can give me the answer. I will only know the answer what it will be.
I'll submit both the answer and the checked answer sheet to you. Is that clear?
Sir, how much I got? Okay, sir.
Who?
Sir, why you have given sign on
Those
my
who have given the PSPS1 test, I have checked their copies and I have given the answer sheet back to them also. The answer sheet will have the number on top. If you have got the answer sheet and if you have given the PSPS1 and if your name is not written in the list, you have already got the answer sheet. Is that clear?
How much got, sir?
Who?
Sir.
Who is asking how much he has got? I have sent it to your parent. You can ask her also. Okay. I
Sir,
want
what is the highest mark?
the highest marks. I think Devangshi has got the highest and Vinayak Pal has got the highest. Both of them, we have a joint highest mark. Both Devangshi and Vinayak Pal has got that mark. Okay.
That's 10.
Yes. Okay. So our class is over for today. I hope you have been able to understand about the project work. As you have told, none of you are having any doubt regarding the project work. This is the first thing. Next thing is that you have to submit the project work one by 10/5/21, another by 13/5/21. So do your work before that. Project work must be within 2 pages. See, make it clear. The length of the project work must be 2 pages. Must be 2 pages. This one and this one, both of them must be 2 pages, not more than 2 pages. Don't write so many things. Project work must be within 2 pages. It must be short. It must be precise. Is that clear? Am I clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So our class is over for today. Bye bye all of you.
Bye, sir.
Tata.
Bye, sir.